Hey guys, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to the House of Jane. Today I'm going to show you another Quaintly box. This box is quickly becoming my favorite for 2025. My favorite in the terms of home goods and snacks and houseware things. Oh, look who's here. Let me show you before I begin. There's Levi. Say hello, Levi. Say hello. Oh, I love this cat so much. Sorry. I do love my cat so much. But anyway, I was saying, this box here has quickly become my favorite for 2025, and I'm going to show you why. This is the April 2025 Springtime Bliss Box, the British Springtime Bliss Box. Look at this beautiful picture. I opened the March one last month. I'll leave some links in the thingy up here. And I got the April one, and all the contents are on the back. And I know exactly what's in this box. And I was just like blown away because I recognize some of the creators of some of the items, and I have so much respect for them. So before I show you the contents, they always include a nice book. This one is all about springtime in London, in the UK, and it just goes through different things like festivals and gardens and, you know, a lot of travel things, tea time, places to visit, historic towns. It's really quite nice. I read the whole thing yesterday, and makes me want to jump on a plane and cross the pond. But yeah. I've actually been to London a long time ago, a couple of times, but it's been years. So since I'm not jumping on the plane, this is the next best thing. This is how you're going to receive the box. The box actually came in a like a plastic mailer. It comes through the Royal Mail, and it looks just like this. Let me peel the little sticker and show you everything like that. Levi's playing here with some toys. I'm in bed. This is first thing on top. This is Liberty by London fabric on a headband. If you know anything about Liberty by London, they make gorgeous fabric collections, and they make very upscale clothing. And this is a fabric covered headband, which I don't wear a lot of headbands, but it's cute. It's cute, and what's really important is it's lightweight. I've worn headbands that, you know, heavy and give me a headache. This is extremely lightweight and flexible. So that's the first thing. And I don't know if you can see the print, but it's gorgeous Liberty of London. And that, excuse me. Things are always falling on the floor. That is valued at $9 US. The next thing is another, I guess, manufacturer creator that I love. It's a Cath Kidson memo pad. Cath Kidson also makes beautiful designs that I think I started knowing them about their designs for like wallets and handbags and stuff like that. This is very Cath Kidson-y type design. And they gave us, just taking off the little band, a really nice memo pad. It's to do today, my list, priorities, tomorrow, and notes. And it has a little Cath Kidson label on the bottom. And I believe this feels like, oh my goodness, this feels like at least, 60 sheets. So it's a really nice pad. And Levi is in my box, making a ton of noise. I'm sorry about that. And the pad is valued at $9 US. That's the second item. Then we've got this. It's a candle by Pintail called Spring Morning. It's in a little tin. It actually looks like a little tuna tin. And I took off the top, and you have a really beautiful candle. And it smells so lovely. It smells like spring. If I could package spring and put it in a candle, this would be it. And it has a cute little sticker on it, a little label, very springish. This candle is valued at $8 US. So I think, you know, the pricing in here is actually really good. Then we got, what are you doing? Oh, he's playing with the little styrofoam thingies, which is fine. Then we got by Alexander Thurlow of London, these really cute earrings. Take them out. This is valued at $20, excuse me, not Alex, it's Alexander Thurlow. They're exquisite earrings crafted by a London-based jeweler, and it showcases traditional British flowers, celebrating the elegance of charm of native flora. Each piece is meticulously designed, reflecting Thurlow's commitment to timeless craftsmanship and the beauty of nature's delicate blooms. Aren't those pretty? Very pretty, and I hope you can see them nice and in focus, because they're really, they're nice, and I'm gonna wear them. I'm not gonna wear them right now because my hair is all over the place. That's the next item. Then we got 2 snacks. Who doesn't love snacks? The snacks are valued at $6. We got some popcorn, a little bag of popcorn by Popcorn Shed. It's classic caramel. And then we got candy by Ask Mommy and Daddy. It's extra special. It's gummies. Now I have to open these because I want to know if it looks like the egg. And I still want to take a nice photo. So I'm trying to open this without ruining the packaging when I do a little photo for Instagram. So I'm gonna open it unconventionally from the bottom here because I want to stand it up and have it look pretty. Oh my lordy, it's really cute. This is too cute. Check it out, they're little eggs, the little gummy eggs. I've never seen anything like this. And it smells really good. Okay, I wonder if the yolk is runny. No runny yolk. And it's nice and sweet. The fruity flavor, very good. Excuse me. This is why I don't eat on camera normally. Because it's awkward, you know? You know. The New Yorker in me is coming out, you know? It's awkward. So that and the popcorn is worth, what did I say? $6? Yeah, $6 US. Okay, we still have more stuff. The next thing in the box is this. Very nicely handcrafted cow parsley kitchen apron. Retail value, $21. Cow parsley is also known as Queen Anne's lace. So they gave us a nice little apron, very functional. Okay, so we got this is the tie that you put here, right? And then you go here, and then you would just adjust it to your size. Okay, so it's totally adjustable. Gotta put it in there. And then it ties at the waist in the back. I'm not gonna put it on right now, but it does have pockets, 2 pockets in the front, separated so you can keep things in there in the pockets. And it's just really, it's really a nice apron. You can use this in the kitchen, you can use it gardening. The material is nice and substantial. It's not flimsy or cheap. And the sewing of this apron is really nice. So here's the back of it. And I just want to show you how it has really nice seams. Everything is folded under and it's sewed very nicely. It's nice and binded, no frayed edges. So, you know, it took some time. The corners are mitered and everything like that. So it's a really functional, pretty apron, and it's a good size. So that is that. And like I said, let me just show you the pattern one more time. It's really pretty pattern. See? And wait, there's one more thing in the box. Who can have too many tea towels? I can never have too many tea towels. This is a British Wildflowers tea towel by Rex of London. They retailed it only at $8. And to me, this is worth more than $8. I think it's, like I said, everything is really nicely priced. It's made of 100% cotton, and it is 50 by 70 centimeters. So let me just take it out real quickly so you can see it. I'm gonna rule the day to take this out because I do have to take a picture. But I'll take it out anyway because I love you guys. It has a little thing over here. You can hang it up on the back. Everything is beautifully looked at. Nice mitered corners. Everything is sewn really pretty. And then the design, right? That's what we're here to see, these wildflower design. Really pretty tea towel, right? Isn't that gorgeous? This is why I'm so excited about the box. So we do a recap. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, Lisa 10 will get you $10 off. I'll put the link and my code down below. If you want to try the box, you get $10 off. And I think the springtime box is the box to get, like ASAP, before it disappears. I don't know when it's going away, but it's April now, and do it. So we got the towel. We got, I should have taken pictures beforehand, the beautiful apron, which is nicely sewn. We got the candle that does smell like spring. I should just meditate and just do that all day. We got the beautiful Cath Kidson pad. I don't have anything by Cath Kidson. I always wanted to own Cath Kidson. Now I have a notepad. We got the Alexander Thurlow earrings. Beautiful flowers. And we got, trust me, there is popcorn. We got these gummies that look like eggs, and we got the popcorn, and we got the Liberty of London fabric headband. Beautiful box. Thank you so much, Quaintly and Company, for sending it to me for my review. As always, I so appreciate it. And I want to let you guys know, I do give you a discount code, but it's purely a discount for you. I don't make any money off the code. It's just the discount they pass through me to you. Use it, don't use it, whatever. But I hope you enjoy, you see the specialness in this box. This is not like a typical mass-produced box. You're going to get things from the UK, over the pond. So if you can't go there, treat yourself. That's the best thing I can say. And that's about it. Sorry for I'm a little bit zany today, specific reasons, but we won't go into that now. That's a whole nother box of wax. And thanks for spending some time with me. I will see you all in the next video. Take care, y'all. Bye.